Hey there, welcome back. A warm welcome to all of you. Now friends, what exactly is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is nothing but a opinionated version of Spring Framework. Now this particular framework, Spring Boot, definitely uses Java technology in the background. As a result, Java or JDK must be there on your system. Now, as Java programming is a prerequisite for this course, and you must also have a abstract level information of Spring Framework, I am assuming that you must have a JDK installed on your system already. Now, if that is not the case, definitely you can Google for JDK, download, and Google will give you the first search result by oracle.com. Now friends, the current version of Java is Java 10, but we won't use Java 10, rather we will make use of Java 8. It is reported that there are few compatibility issues with Java 9 and Java 10, but later down the line when the compatibility issues will be fixed, you can definitely make use of Java 9 or 10 later down the line. Now friends, in order to reach this URL, we also have a yet another shortcut technique, which is studyeasy.org/download Java, and you would be redirected to oracle.com's Java download page. Now first of all, we have Java SE 10 download, and then later down the line, if we scroll down, we also have the link to download Java 8. Now the reason why Oracle has given direct link to Java 8 because this version is a stable build and there is no compatibility issues with Java 8 with majority of the software. Java 10 is new and other vendors are adopting this one, and compatibility issues can be an issue when we are working with Spring Boot. Alright, so we will go with Java 8. You can click on download, you can accept the license, you can download the appropriate version of JDK, and the Java download will start. Now friends, I won't show you the installation process because that is lame, and you must be having knowledge of how to install Java SE, as you all have the background of Java. Alright, so the installation process is again very simple, usual Windows installation, or the installation would be based on your operating system. Let me close in this particular tab. Moreover, moving forward, we will make use of an IDE, and the name of the IDE is Spring STS. And if we Google for Spring STS, then definitely it will give us the first search result, download STS. Now STS stands for Spring Tool Suite, and this is nothing but a optimized version of Eclipse for Spring. Now friends, I have already added a shortcut link for this particular downloads page, and which is studyeasy.org/spring STS. And if you navigate to this URL, studyeasy.org/spring STS, you would be redirected to the download STS page. Let me show you. Now in here, based on your operating system, download the appropriate version of STS, and in here I will go with the Windows 64-bit version, and I will click on this zip link and the download will start. Now friends, in order to save some time, I have already downloaded this particular file. Let me show you. Here is the file, and let me open this zip archive, and I will simply copy this particular folder and I will paste this on my C drive. Now this is a practice which I do. I usually keep the IDE folder directly inside the C drive, but you can definitely keep this anywhere based on your preferences, and once the extraction is done, I will create a shortcut link on my desktop again. So let me fast forward this process. This will take a couple of seconds, and let me also show you how STS looks when we start the suite. Alright, so the extraction is done. Let me open up this folder. Let me open up this particular folder, and here is the sts.exe file. Let me create a shortcut on the desktop for easy access, and let me open up sts.exe, and it will open up in couple of seconds. So this is what we need in order to get started with Spring Boot. IDE, it could be STS, or you can make use of any other IDE of your choice, and we must have Java installed in our system. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.